Mike the Dodge guy here. I did a couple of these headlight restoration deals and found something that works pretty good. It's quick and easy. So I figured it was time to do a video and show you how quick and easy it is. I'm going to do these two over here, the headlight and the driving light on this Dodge. This is what I'm using. Runs about what did I pay for this? About 10-12 bucks at AutoZone. And it's relatively easy. Oh, there it is. You get step one, which is oxidation removal. When you get done with that, you move on to step two, which is a UV sealant and protectant. So step one, we're going to open up the package. Come over and just sit here and you go back and forth. Be careful, make sure you do it out in the area that's got plenty of fresh air, because it does have fumes coming off of it. You just take and go back and forth. You can already see how much lighter it's getting. And look at this, is what I pulled off there so far. Yeah, it just takes a couple of minutes. There's enough on this one rag to do both sides and get your driving lights. So that there, take care of the one side. You can see how headlight turns kind of hazy. So while we're let that finish drying up, let's go do the other side. Now you don't want to do this when it's like 100 degrees out here, because the chemicals in this rag here can melt the plastic. And make it all dry up so fast it can't get nothing finished up. Alrighty. Pretty much takes care of that part. Well, thought I had me another rag laying around here. There we go. Alright. So now we'll get this sealant protected. And after you do this, you're gonna have to wait about 3 hours so that way the UV protection will be completely dry. Okay. When you put this on, you want to go in the same direction, back and forth. In doing so, keeps everything looking good. That's one side. Let's see how the other side does. Flip a little rag over. Like I said, you want to go straight line, one side to the other, and you can see how much of a difference it makes on these headlights. This will last you about 6 months. But during that 6 months, you'll have a nice bright light compared to how it was before with the yellow haze on it. Plus, it makes your vehicle look better with white lights instead of just the yellow haze lights. So, as you can see, I mean, in a matter of less than 10 minutes, got both headlights and both driving lights done. So Mike the Dodge guy, thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps you out. Bye.